Right. Hello, friends. Welcome back. So this is your CA Prasanna Kumar PK sir. So this is a very important video, guys, of the announcement of the new fast track or crash batch. As you can see here for November 2021, May 2022, and November 2022. Now I've been receiving a lot of messages from students requesting for a crash batch or a new, uh, you know, fast track batch for the upcoming exams. Okay, so what I thought is, okay, let's go with something. And many of the students, they were asking for live, because they say that live will be more interactive, although we have to attend the classes on a fixed time, but still it's going to be really interactive, and the session will be a lot more engaging. So therefore what I've done is that I have decided to take a new fast track or crash SCMPE live batch. If you can see the details over here, it's going to start on August 23rd and it's going to end on September 11th. The sessions will be on morning and evening every single day. Morning, the timings are going to be 6:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. and evening, it's going to be 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. So all the concepts will be covered based on ICA sources. ICA sources in the sense it includes all study material, all the sources, case study digest, the kind of RTPs, MTPs, everything that's available in the Board of Studies portal. Okay, the online portal, right? And another thing is that, as you can see over here, you have a pre-booking offer in case if you register, which helps us to plan the classes well if you register in advance. Apart from that, nothing else is there. So that we can plan accordingly in a better way. So before August 21st, if you are able to book or register for the classes, then you will get the classes, the live, at 5,400 itself. After August 21st, as you can see, that's the price over there, 6,300. So in order to register, you can just call those numbers, or it would be better if you WhatsApp those numbers, because we have been receiving hundreds of calls every single day. So if it is message, it will be far more better. You can just inquire over there, and then you can try to book the classes. Now anyways, so let's me get into further details so that you guys will have much more clarity. Right, Nana. So as you can see here, so this is SCMPE crash or fast track online live batch for November 2021. This I've already explained you. The dates I've already told you. The timings I've told you. And the coverage I've told you. And the pre-booking offer. And after August 21st, the price also I've told you. So you can just WhatsApp or call or Telegram. Preferably you WhatsApp or Telegram to these numbers to register for the classes. Once you register for the classes, the day before the class is going to start, which means August 23rd. Before that day, on 22nd, you will be receiving mails to your respective mail IDs which you have sent when you have booked for the classes, and accordingly you should be able to listen to the classes the next day onwards. Now there are few questions that you might be having, so I would like to answer that. First one, sir, can we watch these classes on laptop, which means any Windows based device? The answer is yes. Are able to understand, but the only thing is it has to be Windows 8 and above. Okay, Windows 8 and above. Less than that, it's not gonna work, because this is the latest live streaming software. So therefore, the latest the device is, the better it will be. So can I watch it on phone, the live? Yes, but unfortunately it will be only Android phone. iOS live will not work, but yeah, that's the situation right now. Even Google Drive class also, it will not work on iOS, so it's strictly restricted to Android only. Okay, sir, which means what you're trying to say is that we can register either for Windows or Android phone. Yes. Okay, so how to make the payment and all those things, once you WhatsApp to these numbers, they will tell you. Okay, so which means Google Pay or Phone Pay number they'll send you, and accordingly you can make the payment. Right, sir? Sir, we have cards with us, either debit card or credit card. Okay, so in that case, how to make the payment? Are you able to understand? So in that case, what you have to do is that go for PK Sir Classes app. Okay, go for PK Sir Classes app. So in Android, you can just go to the Play Store, and you can search with the name PK Sir Classes. You'll find the app, and in the app you go to the store, and in the store you will find this CA Final SCMPE crash live batch. That particular product in the store is kept only for payment. There you can go and directly you can make the payment, or able to understand, through your cards. Any of the cards that you have got, debit card or credit card. So debit or credit. So only to provide that particular facility, we have created that particular course. Okay. So once you have made the payment, immediately you'll be getting your invoice, okay, in the app, and then you have to WhatsApp that invoice to either of these numbers, 92469 or this one, preferably the first one, and then you send the invoice. Then they'll ask you your details like your name, mail ID, phone number, and your address in case we have to send you the hard copy. Then accordingly you'll be registered for the live session. You can do the same on iOS as well, only for making payment. Only for making payment. You cannot watch classes. So on iOS also, what you can do, you can search with the name My Institute app. Okay, in the iOS App Store, My Institute app, and give the code YCWR. YCUUR is our institute code name. Immediately you will get our PKSR classes app. Your My Institute app you have to download. That gets converted into PKSR class app once you give this code, and after that the same stuff. Go to the store, you will find this particular product, that is CA Final SCMPE Crash Live. You'll find this product, and accordingly with the cards you can make the payment. That way you can register. So you can directly call or WhatsApp to these numbers. You can directly go through any of these UPI based payments and you can get yourself registered. Or if you have only cards, you can use this particular platform and you'll get the invoice and then send the invoice to these numbers. Okay, and then accordingly you can get registered. I hope I cleared all these doubts. Now, with respect to this particular classes, this classes will run on the latest power nodes which I've written during the latest regular batch. Okay, so you have this latest power nodes over here, as you can see. So far, as of now, when I'm making this particular video, around 350 pages are written. You can see this. This is the latest power nodes. Around 350 pages to 380 pages are written right now. So this will be, I think it will touch 600 is what I feel easily. Earlier I thought it's going to be 500. It will be much more than that because I'm writing standard costing again separately. Standard costing power nodes is being written separately. This is another 10, 15 pages are there right now. You got the point? This is completely standard costing. So the classes will be dealt based on the new latest power nodes. Are you able to understand? So everything is going to be latest. That's obvious. Okay, there's no doubt in that. You get the point? I hope this is clear, and ICA sources will be covered. Now I cannot, I'll try to see whether I can cover some new problems, especially for few chapters like decision making, standard costing and transfer pricing. I'll try to do that. But because it's a crash, in regular, of course, we'll have a lot of time, because in crash, in those 90 hours, it will be equally challenging to cover the entire ICA sources itself, because right now the syllabus has got increased a lot. So that itself will be a big challenge. So we'll try to cover how much that is possible. I'm guessing we'll be covering somewhere around 80%. Okay, 80% of the concepts, 80% of the problems is what I guess right now. It may be a little bit more as well. So it again depends. Okay, so that's the thing. Now, some of you might be having doubts. So, okay, so this is about live classes. Okay, what about Google Drive or pen drive? Pen drive, what I can say is that it will be available after the batch gets finished. So it's gonna get finished on September 11th, which means from September 15th, pen drive will be available. Okay, right? What about Google Drive? Google Drive in the sense cloud-based classes. Google Drive for Windows as well as for Android app, which means I'm not talking about live session, but instead we are talking about Google Drive. So that will be available from the 4th day the class has got started. The live class has got started. So when the live class is going to start on August 23rd, so which means roughly on 26th August. From that day onwards, Google Drive will be available, because by that time, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, at least 3 days, let's put each day around 5 to 6 hours of class will be happening. So 15 to 20 hours will be recorded and uploaded by the time. So that should be good to go. Is that clear? So that's it, guys, from my side. Coming on to classes, I hope you guys are already aware of it. So you're gonna get the best. I'm telling you this time, the way I've written the power notes, I can tell you without any second thought process or any doubt, it's going to be the best in the industry. If I can exaggerate a bit, I can say that it's going to be 5 to 10 times better than any other material available in the market, with respect to the content coverage, with respect to the ease of content, with respect to the additional concepts that has been covered, with respect to the way it has been presented. Everything is going to be 5 to 10 steps ahead of any other contemporary material that is available in the market. I can tell this with 100, not 10,000% surety. Is that clear? you can understand what's the kind of confidence I've got on the material that we have written this time. So I have improved every single area when compared to the earlier version 1.0 Power Notes. Every single area, wherever there is a chance, I've improved a lot. I can tell you a simple example. You can just see standard costing. I think so. People know the standard costing of the earlier batch, but if you can see, I've added a lot of content over here. What is the standard cost? Uses of standard costing. I have gave you an example of how a standard cost will be created. Okay. Then other important uses of standard costing. I gave a lot of examples. A lot of additional concepts are covered. In which industry you can use standard costing. Okay. In which industry you cannot use standard costing. How to set standards is also covered. Are able to understand on what basis people will set standard. For example, here material standards means to set a material standard. What are all the things that they are going to consider, and what will be the problems that they will face when they are trying to set the standard. All these things, different types of standards. You can see that. So it's just a small idea which I wanted to give you. Like this, every single chapter on every single concept, unless I'm 100% satisfied that the concept has been covered in a fantastic way, I have bettered it in every single way, in every single area. And of course, I am working on international case studies as well. People who have joined our test series, they already know the first test series, the first exam has been a mind-blowing question from performance measurement and evaluation. I've asked it for 30 marks. I've asked one single case study. Okay. Anyways, so that's the thing, guys. So this time I can tell you without any single doubt, it will be leaps and bounds, better and bigger, right? So see you guys on August 23rd. So it's gonna be the crash batch, and as you can see, you guys can register and all the procedures and everything else. I hope I've cleared it. If still you have any doubts, so what you can do is that you can WhatsApp us to the respective numbers. Your doubts will be cleared, and then you can accordingly register for the classes. So thank you so much, guys. That's it from my side. This is PK Sir signing off. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.